Hi guys, and hello. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Startup Mentorship. Welcome to another episode of Startup Mentorship of my lovely self, Labake. I remain your lovely host, Labake Tomaba. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not, welcome back and don't touch lovely host, Labake Tomaba. Today we are unboxing something very beautiful. So as you all know, or if you don't know, I'm a certified Scrum training provider. That means I am qualified to offer Scrum training. So if you're looking for a Scrum trainer or a product manager, well, I'm your right there, right? So make sure you contact me and let's see how it goes. Let's do some business. And then, okay, so I've waited for this packet and finally it has arrived. I got it today and here it goes. Yeah. So it was by DHL. DHL is so fast. Like, trust me guys, DHL is so fast. Although I have like, you know, a different experience. I sent some things from Germany to America a couple of months ago and it took me a while, you know, before I finally got it. It took about a month plus, but this was quite fast. This came in from Arizona. That's where the headquarters of the Scrum study book, Scrum guide is. And yeah, so from Arizona to Atlanta, here. Well, I have to wash off my hands by the time I'm done with this pack. I just wanted to show how the whole box came. So this is it. It's from Arizona, like I said, and it's addressed to yours truly. So let's start. Let's see what we have. I've got my butcher knife. Okay, I don't know what to study. There you go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yes. So, okay, that's gone. Let's go away. So you have everything Scrum. This is ew. I don't know if that's supposed to smell nice, but let's see. So it was properly packaged, like properly packaged. So this is a Scrum study. Thank you guys. You guys rock. Remember this thing when we were younger? We used to play. Okay, so now let's see what we have. So there are two packs. There is one for the student guidebook, and there is one for the facilitator. Okay, so this is the Scrum Book of Knowledge. Yay! So it's let's see, it's 381 pages, and it consists of everything about the Scrum input, the tools, and then the output. So if you are a product owner and then you're not a Scrum certified, please make sure that when you're done, please use the link below and then let me know. Like I said, I'm a certified training provider, so I give you all the information. And if you want to write the Scrum exam, you could contact me. I'll tell you all, you know, all the details. I'm going to show you all the details. So that's the Scrum Book of Knowledge, and then that's the third edition. So this is another one. This is a comprehensive guide to delivering projects using Scrum. This is Scrum study. So let's see how many pages this is. Let's see how many pages. 379. I guess it's the same. One actually belongs to the facilitators, and if you're a student, once you pay for the Scrum certification, you get, you know, the whole pack, the whole booklet. So what else do we have here? You have the Scrum Master case studies. So this is it. If you have not seen it, here. The Scrum Master case study. So this is for the student. So once you sign up, you know, you get the whole Scrum book, and then you also get, yes, the student guide. So these are all the case studies that you have that you need to use to solve most of your problems. This is what you need. Once you sign up, you know, for the Scrum Master certificate, like I said, you get all of this. And then, okay, so this is cool, right? You have the Scrum principles, Scrum aspect, initial, plan and estimate, implement phase, review and retrospect phase. So this is another one. So once you sign up, yes, you get all of this. So you get all of this. What else do we have? You have the Scrum estimate card. This is quite interesting. If you have the estimation card. So this is like different type of estimation card. So once you agree on what the product backlog is and what's priority for your team, then you can use the Scrum estimation card. That's about it. I think that's basically it. What else do we have here? Okay, these are like extra. This is the facilitators pack, if I'm correct. Yeah, so this is the faculty. This is mine because I'm the faculty. And then, yes, so this is basically for the faculty. The faculty actually owns this. And like, since I'm the faculty, yeah, that belongs to me. What else? Yes, so you have the process chart, another process chart, yes, for the faculty. And then you also have the estimation cards. And then, yes, this is faculty workbook. So all of this actually belongs to me, since I am the faculty and I'm responsible for training my Scrum students. So that's basically about it. I also have like another estimation cap. So that's basically about it in your unboxing the Scrum studies. Like I said, if you're a product owner, if you're a project manager and you want to write the Scrum certification exam, guess what? I'm your plugin. Just send me an email. There's going to be a link, down when I'm done. There should be an email, there should be a link down in this video. And if you have any questions, so that brings us to the end of the unboxing the Scrum study process package and everything you need to know about Scrum. Another advantage is you can have access to the Scrum Fundamentals online course. So it's absolutely free. You don't have any obligation. And then once you finish, you write the exams and you get your Scrum Master certification. Well, having said that if you want to go on to be a Scrum Master, it takes another about 180 days. You can take the exam at your pace. And let me see if I can dunk this right. Okay, that didn't go into the right way. Like I said, so if you're interested in the Scrum exam, please let me know. Send me an email. I'm going to put the link down where you can contact me. And then if you want to know anything about the Scrum Master or the Scrum Study book, I'm actually so excited, like Scrum study. Yeah, so if you want to know anything about the Scrum certification, whether it's the Scrum Master, for now we're focusing on just 2 exams, the Scrum Fundamentals and the Scrum Master. So if you have interest in any of the Scrum project management Scrum exam, please let me know. Up until next time, I remain your lovely, 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 beautiful self, my lovely, beautiful self, Labake Tom Alba. Bye. And again, I wanted to add one thing. If there's anything I've learned during this lockdown, is you have the capacity to achieve so much. You have the capacity to achieve so much if you put your mind to it. I remember when I started with the Scrum exams, it was a bit like, oh no, why do I have to? It's quite intense. You have to dedicate time. You have to dedicate time to it, and it's really, 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 really quite intense. It's not something you just. And then also it improves your earning. Trust me, I know people who are like contractors and they're like product owners and project managers, and they earn so much because of the certification. So if you feel that you're not you want a certification that is actually that is recognized internationally, trust me, the Scrum study is actually your plugin. Okay, so that's been said, everything said. I hope to hear from you guys. Let me know whatever you think. If you're interested in the Scrum exams, please let me know, and then I'll get back to you. Up until next time, I remain your beautiful host, Labake Tom Alba. Bye bye.